today I'm going to role play about the wolf and the 7 baby goats.
7 baby goats and a mother goat were living happily in a cabin. One day, as the mother goat left the cabin, she told the baby goats, "Do not open the door to anyone." The baby goats answered, "Don't worry, mother." After a while, a wolf came to the cabin and knocked on the door. "Kids, your mom's here. Open the door." But the youngest goat shouted, "Don't open the door. Listen to the harsh voice. It's not Mom." When the wolf heard this, he knocked on the cabin again with a soft voice. "Kids, your mom's here. Open the door." The youngest goat shouted, "No, look at that black feet under the door. It's not Mom." When the wolf heard this, he poured white flour on its feet. "Kids, your mom's here. Open the door." "Oh, it must be Mom." The baby goats finally opened the door. The wolf jumped and swallowed the baby goats one by one. After the wolf left, the mother came back. Then the youngest goat came out of the alarm clock. "Mom, the wolf ate all my brothers." The mom goat went out looking for the wolf. When she found the wolf sleeping, she cut the wolf's belly open. All the baby goats popped out from the wolf's big belly. She filled the wolf's belly with stones. When the thirsty wolf woke up, it went to a well. As it bowed down to drink water, splash! It fell into the well.